Hello everybody, how are you all doing? I agree, I had been not uploading any videos for quite some time because it was a long weekend as the Dashera celebrations were going on. So I just got a little busy with all the festivities. So here I am back with my video update. What I did over the weekend is I actually cleaned up my balcony a little bit. Okay, um, here in fact, if I'll just share the changes I have made. Um, Here I had kept two buckets filled with some mud, and also I was keeping my composting bin over here. So I just wanted to remove that so that when I enter the balcony, I wanted to look at these beautiful flowers. So I did this change. So I just rearranged my balcony. So now it looks like this. As soon as I enter the balcony, I see these beautiful crocendra, which actually I had kept it in the other corner there. If you see, that is the place where the crocendra was before. Now I have changed that location to this side. Okay, and then here is the update on my zinnia. I can see they are growing very well. I'm just waiting for some buds to come up. Let's see. I will share the update very soon. As soon as the buds start popping up, I will definitely share the update. I want to see what colors will come because it was the mixed variety which I had put. The seedlings were the mixed ones. So I don't know which plant will give which color zinnia flower. So let's see how they come up. Here is another one. This is actually the chrysanthemum saplings which I got. I'm waiting for some buds to come up to see what color will come up out of these. I'm not sure. So this is it. Here is my rose plant. So one set of buds have just completed, and now the second ones are getting ready. You can see here. Here also very soon I will see the buds coming here. So this is the one. These are the changes, nothing much. Another important thing that I wanted to share with you all is these stands which I had purchased from Amazon. They are very helpful, especially when it comes to places like this where we are saving from we are gardening in the balcony. It helps because it kind of keeps your floor clean. If you have space enough to directly place your plants in the mud, you are lucky. But otherwise, when it is a balcony garden procedure, it's always best to go with these kind of stands. I will share the link in the description box. Okay, so here is my yellow rose, one more that is coming up, and here the bud is ready. It's going to come out maybe in a few days time. Here is the orange rose which I had been mentioning for so many days. This one, as I said, this rose, as I said, I had pruned this particular big rose plant, and I just took the sticks and I placed them inside the mud. What I can see is I think it has propagated very well. So the roots have also come up, and I can see some flowers also coming out of this one. Okay, here is my Aparajita. It is growing very well. It has started climbing and started taking the support of the railing. So what I want to do is I want to put this Aparajita like this. It grows and it's a creeper. So I'm going to take it up like this, and I'm going to cover it up over here. I want this place to be like a green cover, and the flowers falling inside. So let's see how it goes. So like I said, I changed the location of my compost bin. This place looks a little messy because I'm trying to dry the leaves and made another bin for composting. Okay, so that's all is my update. Okay, this is one. I just got this particular the bulb, and I placed it. This is coming up very well. I will share the name and other details very soon. This is a beautiful, it can also be kept indoors and it can also be kept outdoors. So I just wanted to grow a little more, and then maybe I will shift this particular one indoor. So that's it for today. Have a great time. I request you all to please like, share and subscribe to my videos for more updates. So we'll see you all soon. Have a great time. Bye bye.